Today I'm going to make a brief summary of this book, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. And this book has been around for like many years. I don't even know when they first wrote it. And it's pretty cool because he really talks here about really simple things on like if you actually master them, like you're really going to be good at talking with people. And who says being good with people, say everything, because everything in life is about people. In a business, relationship, anything in life is about people. So that means if you actually master people, you master life. Isn't that cool? But the thing is, like you said, I'm gonna like summarize it to like one single word or like one single phrase. But like one thing that really stood out for me, and he said, if you really put others people's interests before yours, you are gonna get anything in life that you want. Right? Isn't that simple? But the thing is, like if you put other people's interests before yours, you're gonna actually get anything that you want in life. The thing is, we live in a world where it's just self-centered, like where everyone is just thinking about themselves. And you may be thinking, no, I don't think about myself, I think about others. But like, even sometimes we are thinking about, oh, what are people thinking about me? You are not really thinking about people. You are thinking about yourself. You're thinking about how other people see you. Meaning you are still thinking about you. And that is the same for every single person on earth. Without exception, we are always thinking about me. Like me, it's my I, me, my I, me, my I, my I. So it's like, it's overwhelming. So that means if you actually like can transcend this point where you actually genuinely put other people's interests before yours, you are gonna give them what they want. In return, they are gonna give you what you want. Because there's another thing that he mentioned in the book is that every single person in the world wants to feel important. They want to feel that they matter. Very key. Every single person wants to feel that they are important and they want to feel that they matter. That's why many people donate so much. Like, for example, when you give money to someone on the street, like a homeless person, most of the time people say, oh no, I'm helping them. But you're not really helping them. It's the way it makes you feel. It makes you feel like, oh, I matter, I care, right? It's just about you. I care, like I'm someone who cares. Who are you thinking about? You're thinking about you. You're making yourself important. That's what it is. That's really what it is. And so if you then want to get everything in life, the most important thing that you have to master is to put other people's interests before yours. And there was also something very interesting that he said, is that sometimes people learn that and they try to do it. Because many people have read this like many times, but their life is still not improving. So meaning they still don't get it. They still can't apply it. We are gonna get to that. But he said this, sometimes when people read it, they then try and go out and try to make other people's interests. Most of the time they try to fake it. Like they try to fake it out, oh yeah, I care about you, I wanna help you and so on. But the thing is, when you fake it, people feel it. That's cool. When you fake it, people feel it. So when you fake it, people they feel that, oh, you're just trying to take advantage of me, and people resent you like, no, thank you, because it's not genuine. It's not coming from a genuine place. But you're going to also see other people who can just do that genuinely without even thinking about it. You're like, how is this person always connecting with other people like that so easily? It's because of this. So if you have been learning it, but you still don't feel like you cannot really apply it, it's because of this thing. It's because of your programming. Yes, it's because of your programming. Because if you have been programmed all your life to only think about you, that means unconsciously when you're dealing with people, you're just thinking about, oh, what can I get from here? Oh, how can I get more from here? How can I get? That's the only thing that you're really working on to get. But that's your programming. That's the way you've been programmed. But if you actually want to then apply this, you are going to have to change your programming so that it becomes, no, I put other people's interests first. I care about others first. It's a program that you really have to program inside of you so that you can actually start applying this. Because if you actually want to apply it, if you actually want to get what you want, because if you don't, then that's fine, then you keep on living the way you're living. But if you actually care, you want to have that impact in the world, you need to program this inside of you. You need to change your programming. And the other thing that he said is, people want to feel important and they want to feel that they matter. So this is the other thing that you can add to put other people's interests first, and then make people feel important, make them feel that they matter. Right? So like, for example, with someone who gives money to a homeless person, most of the time it's because they want to feel that they matter. They want to feel that they matter. But someone who wakes up and like, many people do stuff because they want to feel important. That's the society that we live in right now. And both of the things is just a programming. And most of the time you really don't believe that, because some people, like I said, you read it, you're going to apply it, it doesn't work because you are faking it, and the other person feels that and they resent you. You think, this doesn't work, and so on like that. Then it creates a belief inside of you. So literally you have these two things actually preventing you from applying this stuff. The first one is your programming, and the second one are your beliefs. And your beliefs are just the result of your programming. But if you want to like separate them, then you have those two things, your programming and your beliefs. Those are the points that you have to change. You have to reprogram yourself so that you can actually start caring and putting other people's interests first before yours. Because if you actually want to succeed in life, you actually want to have impact in life, you need to put other people's interests first. Because I can guarantee you, out there, over 99% of people, they only think about themselves. It's about me. What can I get? Me. So if you are able to then give them what they want, they're going to give you what you want. And that's how you're going to then create the life that you want for yourself, by using this simple stuff. But in order for you to use that, you have to program yourself to become that. And if you want to know how to program yourself to become that, send me a message with the word program, so that I'm going to understand what you're talking about. So that was it for this book, How to Influence People. A good one, and talk to you another time. Bye bye.